Hi, this is Bruno from RVing TV. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Forest River Georgetown GT5, the 34H5 floor plan. What you'll notice with this Georgetown, right at the front it has a beautiful cap, nice LED lighting, really good fog lights, and a nice little feature for 2020 is you'll notice the Georgetown logo is actually a backlit LED on the front. Just something nice that can be turned on individually. Now let's take a look at some of the outside features. This Georgetown has been optioned with the partial paint. We have a beautiful fiberglass finish with frameless windows, but a great feature that I was really impressed with is we actually have dual awnings, which is really more of a diesel style feature. So the awning starts here just in front of the door. We have a main awning over the slide out, and then there is a secondary awning that allows this to cover the entire length of the unit with two LED light strips. So each of those awnings can be operated independently as well as the LED light strip. We have a beautiful large screen outside entertainment center, and on this unit there are 4 pass-through compartments. I'll give you an example of one of them. They are lit, you know, really good bins in them, but large pass-through all the way to the other side. That way larger items like tables, fishing rods, bigger chairs can actually be placed in your storage. So I'm really impressed. Now this GT5 sits on 22.5-inch tires with the Alcoa aluminum rims, and it's built on a 22,000-pound Ford chassis. It's a triple slide unit, the 34H5. But let's take a look inside at some of the beautiful features. We have a really well laid out driver's area, large screen radio that also works for your backup and side view cameras, very comfortable seats, and the 34H5, as I mentioned, is a triple slide, so you have opposing slides in your living area. So our kitchen has 2 nice large pantry areas with pull-out shelving. And the bottom shelf, if you notice, has been set up that you can actually put bottles in there and hold them so they're not rolling around as you're driving. The large 4-door gas electric fridge, extra large oven, and 3-burner range that's actually recessed to the height of the countertop. We have a convection microwave above, so now you can cook in the convection microwave as an oven, as well as use the larger oven. Beautiful Corian countertops. Down below our sink covers are stainless steel sinks, and we have dual sink with a residential style faucet. Now, as all GT5s are equipped, this is equipped with the multiplex wiring system, so you can control a few lights, your automatic generator start. We can actually take a look at our gauge levels here, and this can also be operated by an app on your phone. So it makes it very easy. So those 2 awnings we saw outside, you can actually put them out while you're standing outside using your phone. Nice large dinette, very deep seating, but one of my favorite features of these GT5s are these power seats. So power recliners. I'll give you a little close-up of the buttons here that control it. So you have power recliners in and out. We have lighting, which is not only our cup holder lighting, but our lighting below each of the recliners. So you can turn off lighting around you, watch TV with just a little bit of ambient light. We do have heated seats here, as well as, I don't know if you can hear that, but we also have power massage on each of the seats. So it's just absolutely a beautiful way to sit and relax. And of course, that is straight across from our fireplace and our sound bar and flat screen TV. So it's in the ideal location. Now the 34H5 is a bath and a half floor plan, which has been very popular in the industry for the last few years. So our guest bath has a stainless steel sink, really good countertop space to put out your different items, a nice abundant amount of storage. And one thing I was impressed with, because it's a bath and a half and we have to flush the toilet to go to a main tank, not only do we have the porcelain toilets, but this actually unit has the Tecma toilets. Now the Tecma toilets are actually a macerating toilet, and similar to a household toilet, you have button 1 that flushes a little water, it's a water saver, or button 2 when you need to do number 2 and you need more water. It'll then flush, macerate, and pump to the main tank. So it will really simplify how the unit is used and eliminate the potential of a lot of problems. As we make our way into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed on a slide-out with lots of windows around it to give you natural breeze. As we spin around, I'll show you the compartments down below our wardrobe, so there's lots of storage space there. This compartment here is a nice deep wardrobe. Now tucked in this compartment is actually the table that goes in between the driver and the passenger's chair, as well as the insert for the dinette to convert that into sleeping if need be. And then we'll talk about another sleeping feature, but normally this is a wardrobe. These have just been tucked out of the way for this video here. We have our flat screen TV, and behind our TV is actually storage. So very well thought of. The TV flips up, and then in this wardrobe, it is an additional wardrobe if you don't need the washer dryer, but all the GT5s are prepped for washer dryer, so you could put a combination in here. And a very smart item, I have to admit. Having been through a number of motorhomes, I don't actually see this on most of the competitors. It's actually marked where the dryer vent needs to be drilled, making it really simple and easy for the dealer who's doing your install. As we make our way into the main rear bath, you're going to notice the stainless steel sink again, but an L-shaped counter with storage below. So again, really good countertop space to put out if you're heading south. You know, for us guys, if you have an electric razor, if you need perfume or cologne, for the ladies or us, just gives you that space so you're not having to pull everything out when you get ready in the morning, put it away, take it out the next day. You can take out your main items, leave them there nicely. Then we have good storage above with the medicine cabinet and some additional shelving here to tuck our items away. Porcelain toilet in the back, and a nice large fiberglass surround shower with a seat. Now the fiberglass surround shower will keep things nice and easy to clean, looking very beautiful, and you don't get that swelling and expansion and contraction that you would get in a plastic surround. Now a nice little feature I noticed of these Georgetowns as well, if you notice the ceiling, I'm just stepping here and trying to give you a shot of the ceiling line, it's actually a barreled ceiling, which gives you more height and just gives it a little bit of a different look. So some really great features. Now out of all these features we've talked about, the only one that is optional, because everything we've talked about is standard on this floor plan here, is the power drop down bunk. So up top here we do have a power bunk supporting over, actually I think we are 750 pounds for that bunk. What I will do is we'll step back a little bit, and we'll put the camera down and we'll do a little demo of our bunk system. So I'm going to step into the shot here because it is a keyed system. The key is just off over by the door. We turn our key on, push a button, and very quickly and easily our bunk system actually drops. Stops on its own, and you're ready to go. So you notice that was very easy. We have a really good bunk. This is actually I would call it a single sleeping spot. It's wider than a single, but ideally one person is going to be the most comfortable. Or a newlywed couple. Got to have a little bit of humor as you travel. A little bit of storage up here as well. So just a really well-appointed unit overall. So if you're in the market for your first-time RV, a GT5 looks like a great option to look at. Some really great features. As I've mentioned on this video, one option, which is the power bunk. If you don't option the power bunk, it's just a manual bunk. So that keeps pricing really reasonable when they fill in a ton of features and value into this unit, because you're not having to pay all sorts of extras. This video was done at Bella Vista RV, so we thank them for allowing us to use their 34H GT5. If you're in the market for an RV, take a look at the 2020. More information on this unit can be found on Bella Vista's website at www.bellavistarv.com. If you like the video, please click the like button. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll notify you of additional videos that come available as we do additional reviews. Thank you, and I wish you a happy and safe camping season.